Hello, my name is Robert Johnson. Have you heard about GlucoFlush and got curious about what's inside? Then stick with me because I'm going to show you the 11 natural ingredients in this formula and how they can help with blood sugar control and digestion. There's fennel seed for digestion, marshmallow root to soothe the stomach, black walnut to clean the gut, pumpkin seed for the immune system, slippery elm bark, wormwood, clove, garlic, oregano oil, peppermint, and even papaya seed extract. All 100% natural. Each ingredient was chosen to work in synergy and bring balance to your body. But remember, supplements help, but they don't replace a healthy diet. I'll leave the GlucoFlush link here in the description. Enjoyed the video? Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.